Hi! Ito po.
Please to watch When I Met You in Tokyo. Malapit na.
Yes,
Daddy Wowie, December 25. All the OFWs, mga dancers natin. 80s, and 90s, 70s. Alina ho kayo dito ngayon dahil yung istorya ng When I Met You in Tokyo, may kinalaman po ito sa mga OFWs. Panoorin nyo, mag-enjoy kayo. One perfect example o si Daddy Wowie.
Alam mo, nung napanood ko yung pelikula, naalala ko ang buong Japan kung ang naging buhay ko, yung mga love life.
Yes.
Ganon din ang nangyari kay Ate V doon.
Please do watch When I Met You in Tokyo. We promise you, malalaman yung buhay ng OFWs, and then we really have to move on. We have to move on with our love and with our life. When I Met You in Tokyo. Thank you.
At kakaibang Vilma Santos ito. Hindi ito basta walang kontrabida yung pelikula. Siya mismo.
When I Met You in Tokyo, December 25.
And onwards!